Hello, how's it going? It's Robin with Midair. Here is the final product. As you can see here, I sprayed it with Rust-Oleum Hammered Black. So if you look at the bottom of older BMWs, they have like a pebbled, different texture finish towards the bottom of their cars. It's mainly a different texture, stronger paint that's going to withstand, gravel, stuff that flings off the ground when you're driving. So that's that. Um, Got my tools laid out, so I'm all ready to roll. Got my squeegee, go-to squeegee there. Um, Assortment of 3M tape, love 3M, doesn't leave any residue. Measuring tape just to get everything all precise. My favorite blade from Vivid. I love that blade. This is some extra razors, and I'm just using this for reference for the spacing of the decal for the Alpina decal. I went with red, felt it goes good with the black tack cloth for sure to get all any excess dust, and that's much needed. And to prep and before laying it down, my mixture of the alcohol and water mix, 50-50. So right here, what I'm doing here is laying down the actual decal, taking precise measurements because it is a contrast color. It's going to really stick out. So, you got to do your right measurements. On this decal, it's going to be where the decal is attached to the top layer. How this is applied to the valance, you got to remove the bottom half or the bottom piece, and then you need to apply some water to allow the adhesive to stick. And that's why you see here I have a little water bottle to spray underneath. But here, measuring is super crucial. Getting it down right, doing like a dry run so you can kind of get everything where you want it to be. Alright, this part you see that I got the left side done. Looking pretty straight. So when you do your right measurements, it comes out clean. Now I'm going to prep the other side. Boom, there you go, right side done. Now here the right side took a little bit longer than the left. I had to readjust a couple lines, but that's where the water comes in and helps out because it, gives you some time, it buys you some time to reposition it. Now here all that's left is going to be to apply the Alpina text right down the middle, but right now it's looking pretty good. Here's the placement of the Alpina decal. What I did was equal spacing left as well as right, and then equal spacing in the top and bottom, and I put that thing right in the middle. And yeah, I was pretty happy with the placement there, looking good. So here I am applying the actual decal on now, spraying water underneath the decal, and here the squeegee work, getting all the air bubbles out. This is the final step. This one's actually pretty easy part. Don't want to press too hard. Just all you want to do is make sure you get all the air bubbles out. There's the final product right there, all cleaned up, ready to roll. As you can see, do a little stop frame right here. You can see the spacing is looking good. Happy with the way it turned out. And what you see to the right there is the Euro bumper that's going to accompany that valance. Hopefully I catch you at the next episode. I'm going to be attaching both the bumper and the valance to the E30. Thank you for watching.